Hi, welcome to J. Everett Career Center's Wrenching with Rice. Today we're going to show you how to remove a tire from a rim.
Step 1, make sure you put the lift arms on the proper lift points to safely lift the vehicle.
Step 2, to remove the wheel from the vehicle.
Step 3 is to properly deflate the tire by placing it securely on a tire changer and using the correct tool to remove the valve cord.
Next, break the bits on both sides of the tire.
The next step is to pry both beads of the tire off of the rim itself. Start with the top one. The next step is to do the exact same thing with the bottom bead of the tire now.
Okay, move the arm out the way. We remove the tire.
Now, right time.
Be sure to tune in next time and we'll show you how to put the tire back on the rim.